This guy is absolutely insane. He took on the wildest challenge of his life, turning a frozen glacier into his personal racetrack. But he had no idea what was coming next. He pushed off and boom! The icy current yanked him forward. The water absolutely freezing. Up ahead, a sudden drop. He barely made it through, but that was just the warm-up. Then he entered a mind-blowing ice tunnel, hoping the ceiling wouldn't collapse on top of him. He fought to keep his kayak steady. One wrong move, and he'd be swimming with the fish. And then the moment everyone was waiting for. He rounded the final corner, only to find a massive drop straight off the glacier. With no turning back, he took the plunge and, like a true legend, landed it perfectly.